In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set spacing in Framer. When you're designing in Framer, getting the spacing right is a big part of making your layouts look clean, consistent, and easy to read. Instead of manually dragging elements around and eyeballing the gaps, Framer gives you tools to control spacing precisely using stacks and grids. In this walkthrough, I'll show you a simple, reliable way to set spacing that you can reuse across your projects. Start by opening your project in Framer and selecting the element or group of elements you want to control. This could be a set of cards, buttons, text blocks, or any components that need even spacing between them. You can click directly on the element on the canvas, or select it from the Layers panel if that's easier. Make sure you've selected the parent frame that contains the items you want to space, not just a single child, so the spacing changes will affect everything inside. Once your element is selected, right-click on it. In the context menu that appears, look for the option called Add Stack and click it. What this does is wrap your selected elements inside a stack container. A stack is Framer's way of automatically arranging elements either vertically or horizontally with consistent spacing. Using a stack is much more efficient than manually positioning each item, and it keeps things flexible when you add, remove, or resize elements later. After you've added the stack, look over to the right-hand side of the Framer interface. This is your Properties panel, and it's where you'll control how your spacing behaves. With the stack selected, you'll see options like Direction, Alignment, Distribution, and Gap. The gap setting is the key to spacing. This controls the amount of space between each item in the stack. You can click and drag the value or type in an exact number to match your design system. Here, you can also customize whether your elements are arranged in a simple stack or in a grid. If you switch to a grid layout, you'll be able to set row and column gaps separately, define how many columns you want, and fine-tune how items wrap when the space changes. Adjust these settings until the spacing looks balanced and consistent. The great thing is that once your stack or grid is configured, any new elements you add into it will automatically follow the same spacing rules, keeping your layout tidy with almost no extra work, and that's all you need to start setting spacing confidently in Framer.